Hello, Achiever, and welcome to day 10 of this calm meditation. Congratulations for making it to day 10. It doesn't matter if you missed a day or you missed 2 days. That doesn't matter. You made it to the end, right? Like, I know it's hard. I know you're busy, but guess what? You put yourself first. You stepped outside your comfort zone and you did something that you have never done before and you kept up with it. And I am so glad that I was able to be a part of your journey. But the journey is only beginning. Keep going, right? Like you have to do something at least 30 days to make it a habit. Just keep going. Keep watching these videos and you will see that after 30 days and you miss a day or two, you're going to feel funny about it. Like I have to go and I have to do my meditation, or you will start to prioritize it. Okay. So just keep going. And I am so excited to be on this journey with you. So now let's get started. To this channel, I want to say welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos. Now, before we get started, there are 4 things that I would like to go over. Number 1, make sure that you are in a safe space. 2, make sure that you are in a position of comfort. 3, during this meditation, I will kindly ask of you to close your eyes or to do a soft gaze, whatever makes you comfortable. And number 4, to turn off the lights or put on a blindfold. Okay? And now that you are all set, let's get started. Close your eyes. And I want you to imagine that you have just entered an empty room. And as you look around this room, you see nothing but blank walls. There are no memories in this room. There's no judgment in this room. There's no expectation in this room. Anything that happened preceding entering this room, I will kindly ask of you to leave it at the door and to bring all of your attention to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And just observe the air. Is it thick? Is it thin? Is it going through one nostril? Is it going through both nostrils? Do you feel the air going in your nostrils? Or are you aware of the air going in your nostrils? And if any thoughts arise, it's okay. When you become aware of it, just bring your attention back to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And as you're aware of the air going in and out of your nose, I would like you to count from 1 to 5, 5 to 1 on each exhale. Starting now. And as you count, just keep your focus on the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. Now I would like you to bring your attention to your chest and just be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. And just continuing to count from 1 to 5, 5 to 1 on each exhale. And if any thoughts arise, that's okay. When you become aware of it, just bring your attention back to your chest. And do not alter your breath, just observe your natural breath. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Drop your shoulders, release the tension in your shoulders. And if you're feeling any pain anywhere, just bring your attention to that pain and just observe it. Just observe it like you're outside of the pain. And really try to get to the point, the very laser point of where that pain is. And just observe it. Don't label it. Don't judge it. Just observe it. If there's no pain, any discomfort, any uneasiness, if you're feeling any uneasiness in your stomach, just bring your attention to your stomach. Wherever it is, if it's in your legs, if it's in your arms, just bring your attention to that area and just observe it. And in your head, you can simply say, oh, there is pain there. There is discomfort there. Do not label it. Do not bring a story to it. There's no past in this room. There's no memories in this room. Now bring your attention back to your chest and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. And drop your shoulders. Release the tension in your shoulders. And continue to count from 1 to 5, 5 to 1 on each exhale. And if any thoughts arise, once you become aware of it, just bring your attention back to your chest and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. And continue to count from 1 to 5 and 5 to 1. And if you're thinking about the time, about how much longer this meditation is going to be, just observe how that makes you feel. Just observe it. Now bring your attention back to your chest. Be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest. Continuing to count from 1 to 5 and 5 to 1. as we bring this meditation to a close, I would like you to take 3 deep breaths. On the inhale, we'll breathe in calm. On the exhale, we'll let go. Inhale, fill your chest and your stomach with air. Bring your shoulders up and breathe in calm. And exhale, let go. Let go of any judgment, any worry, any stories that you may have made up on this 10-day journey. Just let it go. Inhale, calm. Deep breath in. Hold it for 3 seconds. And exhale, let go, release. Release any worry, any judgment, any good or bad, or right or wrong. Last time. Inhale, calm for 3 seconds. And exhale, let it go, release. Release any worry, release any judgment. Just let go of your shoulders. Just let it go. And flow, flow, be like water. And just take a couple natural breaths, conscious breaths. And when you are ready, you may open your eyes. Congratulations, you have just finished day 10 of this calm meditation. And just remember, do not label and do not judge your experience. The experience that you had throughout this series was the best experience for you. And don't stop now. This is just the beginning. Keep going. And don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any videos. Bye for now.